How's it going, guys? Cooking with the Cow, another episode. Today we'll be cooking scrambled eggs. So you're gonna need a pan. Need some eggs. Maybe one, maybe two, maybe three. Okay, so once you got them eggs, you gotta transfer them to the heat. Don't worry about what I'm cooking there. You know, that's for a different video, I guess, if you want to. Yeah, put the eggs there. And then you're just gonna crack them like this. 1, 2, 3. Easy. See that? Just like that, boys. And then you gotta let them cook. Make sure you're stirring, because scrambled eggs is key. You have to move in order to get the perfect scrambled eggs. So you just gotta keep stirring. Make sure you break them yolks too, because you don't want I guess like solid yellow parts. I guess I don't know how it works. Oh yeah, make sure the heat's on. Yeah, make sure the heat's on. You gotta keep stirring, and make sure when you're stirring, you keep stirring until you see it solidifies, just like this. As you can see, it's solidified right there. And once it gets solidified, make sure it's cooked. Yeah. And if you had cheese, add cheese. I would add cheese, but I don't have cheese on me, so I guess we'll just give you this. I think I'll season it with salt later. But yeah, it should be done just like that, and then you gotta transfer that to your plate like this. Like that, easy. Fork, and if you want to serve it with really young wine like me, otherwise known as grape juice, easy, and it's complete. If you guys like what you saw, make sure to subscribe, comment, and leave a like, and maybe comment what you want me to make next and stuff like that. And if you do make scrambled eggs, cool, just eat them. Okay, bye bye.
This is ground control to Major Tom. You really